Kahapon namin nakuha yung jeepney. And then, natalsikan yung kotse, yung jeepney. Gagawan namin ng contactless wash. Ready?
Nakakapagod pala siya, guys. But fun niya tignan.
I love this car because I love the owner.
This all time we run it. Back on top feeling great. Back on top in the ranks. Once you won, number one, not the mother ones. Other ones feel fake. This all time we run it. This all side we on it. This all grind and we want it. Did it and done it. Can't outrun it.
Hey everyone! We're back again. And today, it's a big day for us. Again. Why? We're gonna get the jeepney. So, tagal naming gustong bilhin yun. Today, release yung jeepney ni Yuyan. Punta na tayo sa Suzuki. Alright, let's go!
Sign muna.
So, madami tayong pipirmahan, guys. It's for Yuyan. So, may maliit na kotse na siya, guys. Kasi napagod na siya mag-drive dun sa Hilux. Sobrang laki daw. So, perfect yung jeepney for her. Kasi pag may lakad siya, gusto niya siya namang isa. At least, maliit lang yung kotse. Tapos, yung trip niya, yung astig.
Tapos guys, eto nakakatuwa. Kami yung first sa city namin na magkaroon ng ganito na
New model.
new model. May nagpa-picture yung buong staff sa amin.
Buong
Nakakahiya. ayaw namin sana magpa-picture na kami lang. Tapos andun pa silang lahat, guys. Tapos hindi kami makatanggi kasi sabi nila required daw. Sabi ko, okay, fine, let's go.
Para kaming VIP na
Ang tagal naming inaay itong jeepney na to.
Thank you very much.
Kakauwi ko lang. I'm just waiting for Iggy kasi ita-test drive niya.
Liit. So, I'll let Yuyan drive first and ikot muna kami because eto yung kotse niya. So, hindi ako magdadrive nito. Pero pag...
You're not allowed. So, ayun na nga. Nagpalit kami kasi ayaw niyang ibang tao yung nagdadrive kasi nahihilo siya.
No, ang smooth.
That's what I said. Anong tawag din ba? Yung steering? Ano ba?
Yeah, actually, smooth siya kasi yung tires niya lang is stock. And then, hindi siya malaki. So, pag i-change natin yung tires, pag i-set up natin siya soon, dun, feel mo na mag-iiba yung pero konti lang naman. Not too much. Pero, yung sa Hilux talaga mabigat. Notice ako agad. Yung ride, medyo maalog siya. So, maalog siya. Gusto ko firm. Gusto ko firm yung ride na hindi siya nakakahilo. So, eto, nafe-feel mo yan, love?
Yeah.
Yung yung parang...
Yeah.
Oh, yung
Yeah.
liko mo na...
Yeah. I immediately noticed kanina kasi merong sharp turn papunta sa bahay namin. Tapos usually pag naka-Hilux kami, or like ako, if ako magdadrive, todo turn lang ako kasi alam ko hindi magaganon yung sasakyan. Eto, pag turn ko, parang kung
Gusto natin, change natin into a, parang mas stiffer na suspension and then comfortable at the same time. Hindi yung super stiff na ang tigas na ng mafe-feel mo sa puwet mo. Yung stiff lang enough na hindi siya nagba-body roll when you turn right or left. So eto, medyo super soft yung suspension niya kahit ito, nagba-bounce siya. Mafe-feel mo na super soft yung suspension niya. And for me, as my own preference, hindi ko siya gusto yung suspension niya, yung stock niya. So, papalit.
So, anong sinasabi mo?
So, sinasabi ko, papalitan natin ng suspension. Yeah, it's a very perfect car for dito sa Dumaguete kasi it's a bit traffic na, not like before na walang traffic. So, perfect siya for daily use. If lalabas ka tapos magko-coffee ka lang, 'di ba? So, maganda.
Pero, hindi talaga siya. If kukunin mo, kinuha namin yung C-door kasi para lang sa akin. Tapos gusto ko lang yung maliit, compact, tapos madali lang siyang i-park kahit saan, madali lang i-maneuver. But the thing is, hindi talaga siya great if it's your only car. Kasi nga, sobrang liit niya talaga, guys. I mean, if you're the only one using it, I guess okay lang. But ang daming, the space constriction is not good.
Ikaw lang mag-isa and you don't usually carry a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Pwede. Yeah, you can.
I mean, if gagamitin mo lang para mag-gym or something, or like go outside and
Like mag-grocery ka or nagkakarga ka ng mga gamit or bumabiyahe ka na malayo. Yun, I think di ko ma-recommend yung jeepney kasi hindi siya that comfy inside for us, but kasi siguro na-try namin yung medyo malaking kotse, so na-feel namin yung na-feel natin yung difference. $190 kilometers na siya now. Di kami bumiyahe. Nag-enjoy lang kami. Gala-gala lang. Tapos kahit saan-saan lang kami pumupunta. Di kami nakapag-video ng iba pang But dito namin gagawin right now. So dito kami ngayon sa Black Bear Garage. Yeah, stay clean. Lilinisin ni Yuyan yung kotse. But hindi siya magko-contact wash. Mag-ano lang, touchless lang. Kasi kanina, dumaan kami sa isang tapos may parang tubig ata na madumi.
may sira na pipe, tapos nagkaganon yung water.
We're gonna use Built Hamber touchless and then enjoy.
But I can't touch. Touchless. So heavy. Oh, where do I hold? Okay, ikaw na. Bigat. I didn't do a good job, I think. He said I did a great job. Even though I know na hindi naman talaga.
Medyo malakas yan, love. So, you have to hold it tight. Almost malinis na yung kotse niya and then we didn't touch anything. So this process is perfect, guys, for medyo alikabok lang, yung may konting dirt lang, or for people na naka-ceramic coating and then gusto lang medyo 70% of this your car na malinisan. So maganda to. Okay to. Pero I don't usually offer this sa services dito sa Black Bear kasi usually contact wash yung nagpapawash natin. So eto, it's for personal and for the people who knows na gustong mag-try, so we can let them try. Yeah, so madami siyang water spots, guys. Dito hindi siya nahalata kasi I think it's because of the color. Yung color kasi light. So ito dark or black, I mean. Yung black nakikita lahat. So yun. Yan yung mga spots niya. I don't think makikita nyo lahat. But i-detail natin to. Hindi ko pa sure kung anong gusto kong ceramic coating for this one. So lalagyan natin itong ceramic coating and then we have to remove any contaminations, lahat ng mga swirls and mga scratches bago natin i-ceramic coat.
Alam nyo, guys, actually, andito, meron kaming toy car na jeepney. Wait, kukunin ko. Yan, no? Pero ibang color lang. Pero binili namin to ilang months ago. Diba?
May Hilux. May Hilux na black. May nakita akong Hilux na black. May Hilux na kami nun. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, bibili tayo jeepney. Bumili ako ng laruan na jeepney. Tapos may isa pa, guys. May LC300 dyan. So tatlo lang yung dyan. May Hilux na black, may jeepney, and then may LC300. So
It's only a matter of time. Hindi, manifesting.
manifest. Okay, manifest tayo. And then we have to kayon. We have to work really hard para makuha natin yung mga
Gusto natin.
wishes natin.
Wishes. Anyway, yun nga. Super happy kami.
We will post a vlog about our reviews, yung full review talaga ng jeepney. Please comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyo, any kinds of about content about cars, about washing, setup and all. So we will try our best to do it for you guys. So see you next vlog.